Okay, here's how you start doing it. Craigslist. You're gonna go to Google, put in Craigslist, Craigslist.org. Then you're gonna go into My Account. You're gonna sign in. Now we have like 7 different accounts, so you're gonna probably do about 12 posts, and then you're gonna switch to a different account. Okay, now you're gonna go Craigslist on the left, top left. You're gonna say post to classified ads. Now these are the ones that you want to go to. It says US cities. You're gonna click on that, and this is the top cities in the US. So you're gonna go to the first one, Atlanta. You're gonna click on it. Okay, then you're gonna go post to classifieds. City of Atlanta is fine. Then you're gonna go for sale by owner. Then you're gonna go business and commercial. So you're only gonna post in 2 different areas. And for business by or by owner, then you're gonna go business and commercial. Then you're gonna go to a different one. So each city you're gonna post one there, and then you're gonna post one in health and beauty. So we'll just start out doing one in each, business and commercial, and one in health and beauty. So let's do the business and commercial. You click on that. You're gonna put the ad. So the ads are already in that box. So you're gonna click on email that's already open. You're gonna go to the drive that I created for you. Ads. You're gonna click on the second one. Scripts are ads, copy and paste. Click that. Now the title of the ad is right here. So you can use these 4 right now. Pretty soon we'll be having other ones up here. But let's do this one right here. Historic opportunity. You're gonna click that. You're gonna post that right here. You're gonna say $2,000. Location, Atlanta. And then the postal code. You need to go right here and go Atlanta for each different city you go to. Zip code. So let's go with 30309. You can pick any of those. 30309. You're going to go back. This is the ad that we're posting right here. This is the one that we're going to post for the business. Then you're going to go down, condition, new, phone number 888-882-9834. Contact Jennifer R. Then you're going to push continue. Then you're going to hit continue again. Now you're going to pick an image. So you're going to add an image. Those images I sent to the email, you're going to download those onto your computer. Let's just do this image right here. You can find images online too. But right now you can just use the ones I gave you. You're going to hit publish. That's it. That's how you post to the top cities. Now, now you're going to hit right here. Okay, Craigslist again. Now you could do one in health and beauty. But US cities, let's go to the next one. You're going to go to Austin. And the same thing. You're going to do that for all the top cities right here. Okay, all these top cities, I want you to put 2 ads, one in the business one and one in the health and business. And all you're going to do is post to classifieds, always hit for sale by owner, and then business and commercial, or you're going to post in health and beauty. Okay? That's it. Thank you.